welcome to another video session from Biomedical Online Classes. I am Santosh. I welcome you all to the new video sessions. Today we will understand one more important genetic concept, that is codominance. Students, this phenomenon is one of the deviation of Mendel's principle. It deviates the law of dominance. In the last video class, I have already discussed about incomplete dominance. That was also one more deviation of law of dominance. So in incomplete dominance, we have already studied that both the gene controlling a trait incompletely dominant or partially dominant in the offsprings. But here we will understand how both the gene expresses together in an organism. This is all about codominance. Students, let us take an example. We might be seeing a lot of flowers, then animals that they are having two different types of color patches in the body. Flowers having two different colors, that may be red and white and yellow and white. There are two different patches you will find in one flowers. And similarly, two different patches in the body of the animals. Like cow, you might be observing the cow having both white and black patches all over the body, or brown and white patches all over the body. This indicates that the genes controlling the white pigment or the gene controlling black pigment both expresses together. That is why both pigments are found in all over the body. This both the character or both the gene expressing together in the organism is the phenomenon of codominance. Students, in codominance we can write out of two gene in a heterozygous organism, out of two genes, both the gene express themselves together is all about codominance. So we can write down the definition. In heterozygous condition, both the gene or factors, or genes express themselves in the offspring is known as codominance. Yes, students, this is all about, you can write down your own sentence. This is very simple. Out of two genes, both of gene expresses themselves in the offspring. Okay, that means together both the gene expresses, neither of them completely dominant, both the genes show the blending inheritance. That means in mixing character they are showing. Here you will find the presence of both characters controlled by both genes. This is all about codominance. I would give a very good example of human blood group. Students, let us take the example of human blood group. Students, in human blood group, we know we have four different types of blood group. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group O, and blood group AB. These four different type of phenotypic blood group is controlled by three alleles. The gene I actually controls the human blood group, and the gene I has three form of alleles: IA, IB, and IO. Let me explain the function of these three alleles. What is the role of three alleles? The alleles controlling alleles are IA, IB, and IO. These three alleles are controlled by human blood group ABO system. The human blood group system is known as ABO blood group system. Okay, these three alleles are actually controlling the ABO blood group. That means out of the three alleles, we have at least two. Every individual organism have two alleles, not all the threes. Okay, the three form of alleles are found in the population. If you consider the individual organism, you will find either of the two. Out of three, we have either AA, IA or IB or IA-IB combination, IA-IO combination, IB or IO combination. If we combine, if we take the genotype, the maximum genotype could be 6 different varieties. So if you see, look at the genotypic combination. So the genotype would be genotype and phenotype. I can write on phenotype. The genotype will be IA, then can combine with IA. This is one. Second genotype, IA can combine with IO. The third, IA can combine with IB. The fourth, IB can combine with IB. Then fifth, IB can combine with IO, and the sixth, IO can combine with IO. The 6 different types of genotype we can find out of the 3 alleles responsible for human blood group. Then these two, either the combination of IA-IA or IA-IO, these two will give us the blood group A. It will blood group A. Then this will give us a blood group AB. IA and IB combination of alleles will give us blood group AB. Then another, this IB-IB and IB-IO combination will give us a blood group B. Then finally, the IO-IO combination will give us blood group O. These 4 different types of phenotype and 6 different types of genotype, we will get it from 3 alleles. So these, out of 3 alleles, IA and IB are dominant alleles and IO is one recessive allele present in the human population. So we have the 2 alleles, one from our father and one from our mother. Okay, the combination could be anything from any of the 6. If we have blood group A, that means there could be 2 different possible genotypes. We may have IA-IA combination or IA-IO combination. Okay, then if a person having blood group B, he or she has also the 2 possible genotype, that is IB-IB and IB-IO. If a person having blood group O, he or she has only one possible combination, that is IO-IO, and the person having blood group AB has having one possible genotype, that is IA-IB combination. So blood group AB and blood group A has a fixed genotype. Blood group A and blood group B has either of the 2, either IA combination in blood group A or IA and IO. Similarly, for blood group B persons, he or she has either IB-IB or IB-IO. This is the combination and the blood group expression of human being or ABO blood group system. Actually, in this you will find IA, it is in the homozygous condition. Let us forget the homozygous condition, A group. But IA and IO, it is a heterozygous condition. The expression is A. That means this heterozygous condition give us the blood group A is the phenomenon of dominance. This is about dominance because IA-IO is a heterozygous condition and IA is expressed, it is dominance. Here also understand IB and IO heterozygous condition gives B blood group is a dominance. Okay, so forget about this, is a homozygous condition. In heterozygous condition, one case, in case of human blood group, in heterozygous condition of IA and IB, both gives AB, means A also expresses, B also expresses, that means A and B together expresses, that is why it is called codominance. This is codominance. So the human blood group AB blood group is a symbol, is a sign, is an expression of codominance. So we have understood now how codominance act, how codominance deviates Mendel's principle, Mendel's law of dominance. Hope you have understood the codominance Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe for update biology informations. Next video we will see about one more deviations. Thank you. Bye bye.